Okay. Just trying to get that rubber isolator out. Retainer, I mean. He's working on it. He's working on it.
It's rocking.
In the free world?
Well, we'd like to keep it that way, wouldn't we?
Yeah, for sure.
Let's work around a little.
92.
Alright, I got an idea.
Why yay. It's my why yay.
Oh. Go get me a... You got a...
Okay. We'll be back in a minute.
Time to go to knives and blades. Alright.
Okay. So we're just gonna cut that rubber off. And you watching it? Is everybody watching? He's gonna cut the rubber off. Oh, Daisy. Where you at? Daisy!
Ben needs you! Ben!
Oh my god, that pup.
Ben needs you to lick his butt. Lick his slobbers up. Look at Ben!
Yeah, I can't get in there. Try to go in with the end like this a little more.
Don't cut yourself.
I'm not going to. That's what my hands
Don't
are.
you cut yourself.
Yeah, that's the trick. It's a tight fit.
Hey, you know what?
I
You're
can
looking
just
cool
get underneath.
today.
Looking cool. Looking cool today. I mean, how many times you go around the cul-de-sac saying that? On the bike?
I don't know.
I don't think
From
anybody...
sun up to sundown, he was.
Yeah, everybody's nodding at him. Oh,
That's pretty tough stuff, Todd.
I'm in there now. Hopefully it'll cut. If it'll just cut. If it'll cut through. I can get it cutting.
Yep, horse nuts.
Oh, come on.
Oh. Okay, that's not gonna...
Yeah, I think we're getting some metal in the metal a little bit, but if I could just get that edge off. End off. There, I got that. There it goes. See it?
Yeah. Then you can probably poke it through.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, careful.
Yeah, well, that way. I'm going away
Careful.
from...
Or you won't look cool today.
I'm going away from you, so we're good. Just like my granddaddy said, always cut away from yourself.
Yeah. I don't know how this video will come out.
I don't know. You just got to get it done and then just narrate from it, probably.
Yeah.
And then make funny jokes.
The AZZY'S linkage for a 92 YJ. We looked on the internet, couldn't find no videos on it. So we're doing this video. And we look cool today.
I don't have, if I had a ball peen hammer
And I'm gonna...
with a little bit of, with maybe a punch and a ball peen hammer now. Yeah, it's wanting to go in. It'll pop
You
it.
can get it. Endeavor to persevere, my friend. Yeah, this is probably
Yeah, it's got
a little more difficult than it should be, I think, probably, but...
So we'll get it. We're gonna get it. It's gonna happen. I got that piece I just cut. There it is. It's a little...
It's probably dried up, huh?
Yeah, it is, and so it's got some force on it, so
It's not very
like,
flexible anymore.
yeah, that's why we're not getting through. I'll get it though. It's moving. It's all moving.
And I need a transmission mount. mean,
Yeah, protecting myself. Right there.
yeah. And the timeouts on the screen, I can't, it's just black on the camera. I don't know.
Now, let me
Oh,
ask-
yeah. Oops, my fingers.
Yeah, leave this part out.
Oh, man. Always chalk your vehicle when you're underneath working on it.
There we go. Got it.
All right.
It's
Now that first piece. Yeah. Oh, hold it up there, up in here, so the camera can see it. Nasty. Nasty. Good. Okay, got it.
no blood.
No bloods.
No blood. That's just some old grease.
It's getting dirty, and we don't like getting dirty.
I don't want to get dirty.
You didn't say for me to get dirty. Okay, Todd, I would mount that front bracket first.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Go ahead, stick it up there. Let's
we
see
need
it.
a dog to shut up so he can talk here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I don't know. Well, yeah, you can take that bracket, or the, yeah. I would just take the turnbuckle off.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna do that here.
Yeah. Big washer.
And what's
And on this Jeep, we're going to have to use that extended rod that AZZY sends in the kit.
this is a tight fitting washer. Oh, there it is.
That's good. That's a good thing.
Yeah, it's a good thing, but it's like I said,
Yeah.
it is tight. Okay. Got that.
Now just mount that bracket. How does it fit? Oh, you have to take that bolt out too, son of a gun. I'm going back up on top of the frame rail.
Let's go back to the frame. You know what we're doing.
Yeah.
You know what's going on here.
And the two ears lock around the shifter. Guess we need to kind of be explaining what's going on. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
The screen goes black. Darn it. I'm getting over the flu. Been sick. Yeah, the washer gonna go on the, there you go, like that there. And that, well, there you go. Or would the washer go on the backside, Todd? I think the washer go on the backside, won't it?
That's what I was thinking, but I think that, yeah, if you want, I mean, you could go loosen it up by here, but this is a fiber locking, so I'd probably...
Yeah, the
probably
washer
go-
ain't even gonna fit in that shifter arm,
yeah,
is it?
I think what...
No, there's not room for the washer inside the shifter arm, is it?
Not real. I wouldn't. I think it goes like this,
Okay,
and then we got the fiber locking nut on the back side.
yeah.
On, so where the head turns, or the bull needs a washer. So that's right. I think we got it. I'm just gonna do that.
Alright.
And if it ain't right,
everybody can make their own adjustments.
yeah, whatever. This is the way I would do it. You would do it this way too. So.
And this
We're
would
on the
probably
same
be an
page.
easier job with the drive line out, but
Yeah, so we just have to get. So what we're gonna do to tighten it up is go on with a socket back here. Probably because see how it's
wait a minute.
one
One,
shape. And then we'll just
the bolt is 9. Oh boy, are they both 9/16? Because I only brought one.
This is a 9/16. Right? Yeah. This is
Okay, hang on. I'm gonna stop the video for a
They're
minute.
both running 9/16.
Okay, oops.
Make sure
We're back again.
Get the ratchet the right way. We gotta keep it straight while we do it. Use your middle finger.
Yeah, that's a.
Use the middle
That
finger.
means go that way.
Yeah, it means holds the bracket where it's supposed to be. So it snugs right around the control arm.
It's the proper way to work a ridge.
Yes.
With the pinky
An extended
finger
pinky
extended.
finger. You notice that? You notice that? You see? That shows dexterity.
Yeah, yes. This is class.
Look at that. Only thing I got to hurt is the tip of my finger.
Yes, and we must hurry. We get to hobnob with. What's that fella's name?
I'm not hobnobbing with nothing. Yeah.
Buffy. Yes, Buffy.
Did you say Buffy or
And
Limey?
Gwendolyn.
Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna give it a little snug for now.
You snug it. She lined up, I can't see.
It looks right on. Yeah, we're good. Right? Yep.
Oh yeah, it looks it from here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's kind of AZZY'S linkage. Nice and snug, bud.
I'm going. I just like to do stuff easy. I'm not
Slow. A slow roll. And okay, that's tight enough.
How far do you want to go? Yeah, that's good. That's a nice torque, and I need. There we go.
Okay. I guess
We have
this
a
would
fiber
be.
locking, so we really don't need Loctite. We shouldn't have to, do that, do we?
No,
I don't think so.
That
That's why we have a
nylon.
fiber locking, right? Yeah,
No.
that would be a
Well, let's see.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah, I can't.
we got that on.
I take that bracket free of the turnbuckle. You see where I'm looking at, right? What slot's that in right now? The second one down? The bolt in the bracket
Yeah.
in your hand.
Yeah, it's in
Or
the
third
middle.
one
It's
down.
in the middle.
Oh, it's in the
See,
middle.
there's a middle. That's what I was talking about earlier.
Yeah.
So we'll go from there.
Yeah.
But I don't think we.
Yeah, we'll
we're
see.
Gonna put that we're first gonna put that longer rod in.
Well, you're gonna have adjustment with that rod.
This is what we just pulled out.
Yeah.
So we got plenty of just. We don't have shit with this.
Yeah. I don't know.
No, we don't. It
Well-
was sloppy. This won't be sloppy. But we got to see if this can be too long. I don't think so.
Yeah.
I don't
okay.
know yet. Yeah, I'm just.
Like I said,
Just so we had to experiment.
I'm old and feeble. My friend is helping me with this AZZY'S install. But I think if we get the brackets mounted, then we can adjust that linkage.
Yeah.
And we'll find out exactly what it needs to be. Because the shifter is in, I think, I have to make sure it's in 2-wheel, Todd. And the painted side faces out. It's all the way forward. That's going into 4 high and neutral and 4 low. Yeah, it's all the way.
Okay.
It's all the way forward.
Okay.
And that one will have to be all the way back, Mr. Todd.
I'm gonna do it.
Oh,
As soon as I get there.
well, you don't have to do it now.
I'm just gonna do it because I can. All right.
Now,
There we are.
does that
That's it.
go up or down? Uh-oh.
It's on. We're on right now.
Yeah, but I mean, does it? I think it hangs down, don't it?
We have to connect to the transfer case with the slot.
Yeah, and I think it goes on there like this.
Oh, okay. Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure.
I don't think, yeah, might be. Could be. No, because it's going to be hitting shit. I don't know, man. It's all the way back, and then we're hitting the transfer case that way.
Okay, well then maybe it goes up.
I believe it does. You could be right, but I don't think so. I really think
The writing was upside down my way too.
I know. It's see that. That's the way I'm putting
It
it
says
on.
on there, 2019 AZZY'S Design Works Ltd.
Yeah, you can read it.
Wrigleyville, PA, US. What's the last thing say? YJ, this side out.
So YJ, yep. YJ, this side out. This side out.
Yeah.
So either way, upside down, I think we're going to be
I
up
think
this way for the linkage on the top. That's the way the rod was.
Okay.
I checked it. And you got to double check on that shit. See, it was right here, so we have to be there too. So we have to
Okay.
put this one up.
Yeah.
And that's
You're
all.
right.
That's all I think that will be like that. There we go.
All right.
It's on.
Stick
It's
the washer.
only one way.
Oh, we have to use the factory nut.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir, you do.
Right.
And it lays over yonder on the edge of the cardboard. See it? Down this toward the pliers and the screwdriver. There you go, brother.
Okay.
I didn't know if you knew where it was or not.
I put it way over there
Yeah.
because I didn't want to get it all mixed up.
And now I don't know if this is going to be worth. My fingers are in the way again.
Now, before I put that on, should I, let me see this well. Should I put a...
No,
Okay.
no. That's a flange nut.
Yeah, that'd probably just shrink in there. Yes.
It's got its own washer built in. Guten tight. However you think it was, Todd. Ah, yeah, that's it. That's good. Now, has it got free movement?
In the, yes. Got a
Can
little
you
bit.
shift it?
Yeah.
Now that should be two-wheel drive. All the way back.
Yeah, it is. We're in. We're in.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, let me go up and make sure that shifter's all the way forward.
Okay. A good idea. I think
Oh
it
my
is.
God. All right. Watch your fingers a second, Todd.
Yeah, I'm clear.
Okay, that's all the way forward.
Okay.
I wish there was a way to keep it there.
We're there.
Now, okay. Seems pretty stiff. Oh. Shoot. Okay, now we're gonna adjust the
turnbuckles and
the linkage.
linkages.
The stinkages. One's lefty.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're having to use the long rod that AZZY'S supplies in the kit. Huh?
Uh-huh.
There you go. And then of course the other one's going to be left hand. Oh, I should be showing this. Yeah. I'm sweating in the sunlight. Whew.
Yeah. When you put it on it, you don't go no more.
Yeah.
You gotta turn it the other way.
You gotta turn it another way.
Another way, which means
You're gonna try to unscrew it to put it on.
Mm-hmm.
Is it not wanting to go?
I'll get it. No. It's a little rough. I don't want to force it.
No. The
Never-
fine threads too.
Never force anything.
Gotta be careful. You know, I'm speaking to the camera. Never done this before either, so it's kind of out of our.
This one's a bit rough.
He's trying to hide from me. Where are you going over there?
There you go. There's the right one. That one's a backward. This one's a different.
Oh.
They got
Oh yeah. That's one for the turnbuckle
I
bolt.
know I got the wrong one.
Oh well, that happens.
The wrong net. It doesn't matter which way you turn it. Still, this is going to be the same.
Kind of like that Volkswagen guy.
Yeah.
Laying in bed at night, thinking about all of his Volkswagen parts scattered all over.
Oh, that's a beaut. I love that book. The guy's having a nightmare because he disassembled the car and he doesn't know how to put it back together.
Yeah, that's called gung ho, gung ho.
All right.
With no direction home.
Okay.
Oh well. Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way in first.
Yeah, that's
You want to center
that's
everything.
what you want to do. Then we'll adjust the turnbuckles, and I suppose they got to be on there a good ½ inch at least, huh?
Yeah.
3/8 minimum.
And the turnbuckles with the linkage, the ball linkage on it. And you got to remember that one's backwards.
Yeah.
I don't mean to turn away from the camera, but I just feel more comfortable here.
Right.
I'm laying.
All I know is I got this bad hip, you know. God.
But now, that means you got to grab the right one for this side.
I would say we adjust
figure
each end equally so they both have the maximum amount of purchase on the turnbuckles, yeah?
Yeah.
Keep it good and rigid. And strong like ox.
There we go.
Okay,
Turn it.
I don't know if this...
I'm going to crank this fucker as far as it'll go.
No, cussy.
Oh, excuse
No,
me.
no cussy.
Beep, beep. Oh, I forgot. We got the camera was rolling, right?
Yes. Family friendly.
Family friendly.
Family friendly.
It's hard to do sometimes. Really try to work on it, but you know, there you go. There you go. So the threads are different. All the way down. Take your time. We have about 5/16 of
We're
an
gonna
inch.
pre-adjust this linkage.
And back, see, okay, and then there should be about 5/16 quarter of an inch right there.
Yeah.
Okay, we're not going to break out the calipers or anything. Get
No,
too critical.
it's just
Okay,
you don't want it real tight anyway. You want a little bit of give for
okay. Now,
sure shear.
now I'm going to check something. You check where the original length was, and then right here, this is what you want to do.
Well,
You want to get right here and then slow adjustment. So we're almost there all the way in. Let me go over here. See this? Okay, bring the camera over here real quick.
okay, he's showing,
See,
comparing
you see
the
how
old
the old
linkage.
one is? They're, when you turn them
to the
all the
new,
way
but-
in and got about 1/4 of an inch, they're about exactly the same. See, right in the middle of the linkage there, and here, they're the same.
Yeah.
And then we can adjust it a little bit.
Go ahead.
That's going to work on this vehicle.
Oh, yeah.
So now, I'm going to pop this one in.
And that-
And it was in the middle. So, and I'm way the fuck over. Sorry.
Another beep.
Another F-bomb, I'm so sorry. Dang,
Beep.
I'm not used to this. I don't do
Yeah.
social media.
Well, this ain't really social media.
Whatever you call it. You can see, I don't even know. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, see now.
Alright, here we go.
How close is that, Todd?
Yeah, we're pretty close.
Oh.
We're on it, so let me get in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna move it around a little bit there and jiggle it in. There we go. Then,
Wait a minute. Was there an extra nut on each stud?
yes. We have fiber.
The two nylocks.
Yeah.
And what's that washer and nut laying there? Is that the only thing you got left?
This is all I got left. Right here. This and this one.
Okay, is that because... Is there an angle? Let me see. Let me put the camera up there a minute. Anyway, can't see what I'm looking at. I don't know.
When we flatten it out, it'll be pretty straight.
Okay.
We're on.
Okay, see, that's how... I think this is it. We're gonna cut the camera and fine-tune this. And then come back when we get it lashed up and try the linkage. Okay? Alright, see you in a minute.
Okay.
See you in a minute.
Now what we're gonna do is just...
Okay. Yeah.
So what we're gonna try to do...
The nylon nut is a 9/16 and the outer nut on the ball link is 1/2 inch. So he's gonna hold the well, Todd, you sure you don't want to put the ratchet end on there?
Alright, well, the reason for that is this, I might get stuck here on this one.
Oh.
So that's why I'm just gonna go in with the crow's foot and open
Oh
in.
boy.
So let me just get
This
on
is
it.
might be tough.
This one might suck for a while here, this one. But
Anyway,
once we get
yeah.
past this, the other one will be easy.
You
can do this.
tighten him down.
We can do that on the next one.
Okay.
So we're gonna make sure we're tightening. On the mark.
Okay. I'm gonna hand you the camera, Todd.
Okay.
And zero in on that and we'll try it. You ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, it's good.
Okay. And there you go. Installed. The AZZY'S 92YJ AZZY'S T-case linkage install. Complete. Works good. Looks good. I like it. Everybody buy one. Do it now.